I'm Kajri and I'm the designer with LiveSpace. And today we are at Rahul Parihar's residence in Gurgaon, Sector 57. So both Rahul and Megha are software engineers and pretty busy with their schedule. So they came to, that led them to LiveSpace, and they were looking for a complete turnkey project to be done. So Rahul and Megha wanted a contemporary and a minimalist design with a touch of Mediterranean, and both were very particular that it shouldn't be overdone and not very ostentatious. They had a budget in mind, and also they had time constraints, so that was something very critical for us, particularly because their son Ayansh was going to start school in Gurgaon, and for that reason they wanted this project in a fast pace. Within a month, we were actually were able to get them into the apartment. After that, most of the project was done while they were residing here. So it was a little bit of a challenge for us that they get a convenient atmosphere while the work is still being done. For the living room, again, keeping the Mediterranean theme in mind, we gave a azure blue sky that was very reflective of Mediterranean countries, and we have a wallpaper with lavender motifs on it. The space had to be kept little airy and spacious as per client's requirement. Plus, they have a 5-year-old who runs around, so we didn't want to make it too busy. So most of the furniture was kept light. Also, Rahul wanted a rustic corner somewhere, and we felt the niche at the foyer near the entrance was the perfect location for that. So we provided a little darker shade of blue over there, kind of to break the monotony of the white in the rest of the living area. From the living room, a passage connects to the master bedroom and the kids' room, and I thought this was a perfect place to have the family photo gallery. Master bedroom was a wee bit easier because Megha and Rahul both liked a particular wallpaper that was sangria wallpaper. It was like a love at first sight. They were like, we have to use this wallpaper. So final design was basically worked around that wallpaper. The kids' room is also shared with the grandmother, so the room had to be somewhere in between a kids and a older parent. Yellow reflects the sunny Mediterranean, and so this was the color palette for the kids' room, and because it was shared with the grandmother, we had to keep a neutral tone and not make it very kiddish room. So Megha loves to cook, and Rahul takes pride in praising her culinary skills. So one of the main priorities in the apartment was the kitchen. First thing I thought about the kitchen, and I connected it with Santorini because we easily get the Spanish tiles. Blue and the white were perfect match for that theme, and the materials that was easily available around to bring in the European look. So Megha wanted the puja unit to be a special part of the living room, and I felt it should be a piece that evokes curiosity. So inspired by the Moroccan mushrabia, the puja unit was designed with the Jali theme. On the outside, I tried to camouflage it with the contemporary look and kind of blended it with the TV unit. But once you open the puja unit, you can actually see the gold and the turquoise glamour of Morocco.
Need more interior design inspiration? Subscribe to our channel for new home tours, design ideas, and more every week.